So, folks, welcome. We are speaking with one of the veteran legal alumni. He has won one of the greatest battles in the history of Liberia again. He is Councillor Syrenius Cephus, the former SG of the Republic of Liberia. Welcome to the media, sir.
Thank you very much.
Today we've seen you smiling, moving out of the court over the prolonged battle, defending your client to actually get back their property. How does this seem to you, and what's the entire details of your case you've been pursuing?
Well, we want to say thank you. Finally, we have gotten what we wanted. We have reached the end of the road. The court has done what we expected our judicial system to do for the poor people of this country. We are very much happy that finally those who stole the 54.3 carat diamond are now being haunted by the law, the very law that they claim to have cited. This is like a Frankenstein story where the protector decided to chase his own creator. The law is now chasing them. They are on the back foot. The judge ruled after a series of meetings and consultation. We informed the court that this is an enforcement. This is not a formal trial or formal exchange of pleading. What happened a few days ago was that we got a notice of assignment. The sheriff made a return today. They called Councillor Musa and said there's a notice of assignment for you. He picked up the phone. He said a wrong number. When the sheriff was insisting, trying to inform him of the urgency of the case, he said wrong number. He called out the phone. When they called him later on, he said, I'm out of the bailiwick of Moserado County. Before the sheriff could tell him, say, show me who should sign for the notice of assignment, he called out the phone completely. In the case of the former Minister of Mines and Energy, he said, when they called him, he said, I'm in Marshall. The sheriff then got in the car, went to Marshall. When he got to Marshall, he said, I'm in Monrovia. When the sheriff came back to Monrovia, when they called him, he said, I'm in Magibi. So you see that kind of jackrabbit style running all over the place. The law is chasing them. Not me, it's the law. The old man that owned the diamond, he's sick. He can't even walk. He needs money to seek medical attention. My only role into this case is not to go after an individual, but to make sure that justice is served and to make sure that the rights of the poor people are protected. Those basic fundamental rights, their property rights under our law.
So, Council, two of the several others who were under arrest, we saw them in the court. What are they going to be? What's going to be the next step?
Well, there was a question we passed to the judge that when you are looking for 8 persons and 3 come forward, you hold that 3 while you're waiting for the balance 5. So they are being held. They are being held. It is the court that will determine what happens to them. The only thing I'm interested in, or my client is interested in, is the diamond, or its fair market value of $11.5 million. Those who said they were men yesterday are now in hiding. There is no escape for them. I have no part to play. I am not the one who wrote the opinion. The judge wrote this, and he said 6 persons should be arrested and detained, and he named them as follows. Councillor Musa Jr. should be detained, put in common jail at the Monrovia Central Prison until he can bring the diamond. Gesler Murray, Emmanuel Titi Swain, Ishaya Baku, Mustafa Tonkara, and there's a fellow called Cover Besa. It's Cover Besa who provided, according to the judge, the false certificate of origin and distorted the information to prove that the diamond was belonging to Mustafa Tonkara. We have documents in our possession in which Mustafa Tonkara wrote an application, requested to export the diamond. All the pieces of information are available. We want to say thank the court. We want to thank the judicial system. We continue to have confidence in the system, and today the law has spoken. I think there's a new day that those who claim that they were above the law are now the hunted. Yesterday, who were the hunter? Who were the hunter? Today, we are the hunter. And we are going after the hunted. It is the law. If you see a story they call the Frankenstein story, the man created a prototype. That prototype was meant to teach him about life and death, and to help him guide to get a full understanding of life. At the end of the day, the prototype started to chase him, Victor Frankenstein. The fake citation of Article 22A relied upon that formed the basis for the broad-day theft of the diamond belonging to my client is the same Article 22A that we're using now to chase those very guys. They sold the diamond. They said the diamond was for the government of Liberia. Then they put 50,000 in government revenue. Oh, how can the government own a diamond? Then the government said they own diamond and they pay royalty to itself. They need to come forward. The challenge is theirs for them to take, for them to come before this court and produce a diamond.
So, Councillor Cephus, for you work alongside with Councillor Frank Musa when he serves as Justice Minister, and this is very unprecedented to see him being ordered to take in the jail today based on criminal issues and was linked to. What does this mean, and how do you really know Councillor Frank? Who do you know Councillor Frank Musa?
It is a victory to the law, not for me. I actually would not like to see Musa Din going to jail. But if Musa Din commits a crime, then he has to go to jail. Like myself. So it's not a victory that I'm